Now let's move on to the mobile application available on Android and iOS. Access to the Mobility Work mobile application is included in the price of the license using the same credentials as the web version. This app allows users to become more mobile and to access their CMMS software from the field for accurate real-time information access and data entry. When opening the app, you are taken directly to the news feed, similar to the web apps. This can be filtered by tags and allows you to quickly view the latest events on the network. Equipment and task creation are directly accessible and have the same features as the web version. Data can be entered manually or by voice using your phone's voice recognition tool. You can also enter your data automatically using Google Translation's APIs, just taking a picture of the nameplate of your piece of equipment in order to retrieve all the characters. In 2 seconds, this entire part is automatically captured. Finally, add a picture to your piece of equipment or to your interventions using your smartphone's camera. Another feature available both on the web and mobile version is the search tool, which allows you to search for equipment, tasks, and activities in your network or user community. To find a piece of equipment or a task quickly, use the scanning feature available on the main screen at the top of the newsfeed. Scan the QR code to access the equipment page, the task history, documents, maintenance plans, spare parts, etc. Mobility Work mobile's app also allows users to view their calendar from their mobile, as well as their current and archived tasks. Thanks to the set of filters, you can also access your colleague's agenda. Click on the task to see the details. From your task, create an activity as in the web version. Enter the information manually or use the speech recognition tool to document your task. You can enter the task time for your activity manually or use the stopwatch function available in the application, as users do not always remember to note the start time of their task, which creates a large margin of error. This difference, even of a few minutes if repeated through the year, can be difficult to justify. Thanks to this tool, input errors are very easy to avoid. Another key feature is the spare part management. Accessible from the left side panel of your application, this feature allows you to access the list of your spare parts, which can be filtered once again by tag. At a glance, you can access your spare parts count and the number of parts to be replenished, which means the number of parts whose number of units is inferior or equal to the defined minimum stock. 2 buttons allow you to change the stock in order to manage the inventory or to replenish a part. Thanks to the QR code feature, you can scan your spare part directly to make an inventory or replenish it. Finally, it is possible to use the chat feature from the mobile app. Chat with your colleagues or users from the community directly from the field.